guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into the video. I'm gonna be using these full cover nail tips from Gelx. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, I bought these off of Amazon and now I'm sizing out my sizes. Make sure they fit perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. They don't fit quite well the nail form I need, so I'll have to reshape them a little bit. After I done that, I'm gonna take the shine away from the nail tip. And then I'm gonna go in with a nail dehydrator and a nail primer from Mia Secret. I love this nail dehydrator and primer, so if you're looking for one, I will definitely recommend this one. If you want your nails to last, I would definitely not skip that step. It helps so much to make your nails last. Once I applied all of this, I'm gonna go in with my nail glue from Gelx. I'm gonna apply some nail glue on my natural nail, and then I'm gonna apply some nail glue in the inside of the tip and leave a little bit of excess, and then I'm just gonna press down the nail, make sure there's no air bubbles, and flash cure my nails and repeat the same step for all of the other nails. And sorry guys about not uploading like I usually do. I've been busy with my move, and then after my move I went on vacation right away, so I didn't have much time to add any of my videos, and I was trying to record in between, but I should be back on schedule. I got pretty sick after my trip coming home. I probably got food poisoning or something, so yeah, I'm not feeling my best, and my allergies has been crazy. Those pollen out there is going wild. But yeah, I hope I'm getting back on schedule now that I'm moved and I'm done with doing some relaxed time basically. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, let's get back to the video. I applied all my nail tips. Now I'm gonna get my dust collector out, and I got a hand file. I'm gonna start reshaping the nails, take the shine away, and kind of blend in the tip with my nail a little bit, kind of seal the edge around the cuticle area. Alright, here are the nails after they've been shaped, filed, and buffed. I did apply a layer of builder gel off camera to make it quick, but yeah, otherwise than that, I didn't do anything else. And now I'm gonna wipe them off with some alcohol. Honestly, I did a really bad job putting them on this time. I have air bubbles around my cuticle area, but also I haven't worked with these full cover tips a lot, and yeah, so I'm still trying to get a hang of it, because not every full cover nail tip is gonna fit your nail bits. Anyways, now I'm gonna be doing the nail art. This is the inspiration for today. I thought it was really cute, and I'm gonna start off by applying this nail polish from Gelx. Okay, and I will be curing this in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, I did a nail to see how I would like it. I do not like the middle parts. I like this color though around it, so I'm gonna be picking a different color for the middle parts basically. But I'm gonna start off by applying a matte top coat to all of my nails first. Right, so I'm gonna be using this top coat to apply my chrome powder. It's a little bit thicker, and that's what I want. And then I'm gonna top it off with a more runny top coat. And I already put some down on my mixing plate. And I'm using this chrome powder that I got off of Amazon in the color 1. And then I'm gonna be going over with this chrome powder for like the middle parts basically. You'll see what I'm doing. So that's what my plan is for today. I'm just gonna start off by applying the thicker top coat to my nails. Okay, now I will be curing this in my nail lamp. Okay, and without wiping off the sticky layer, I'm gonna apply my chrome powder. Like so. So when I like try brushing off the chrome powder, that doesn't always work for me well because it like smears. What I like to do is go over with some top coat. That's why I have the more runny top coat, and just apply this over it. And then I'm gonna be curing in my nail lamp. Okay, and now I'm just gonna wipe it off with alcohol, and then you have a nice background again without having chrome powder everywhere. And this is just basically how I do it. It takes longer honestly, but otherwise I just have chrome powder everywhere and I don't like that. And now I'm gonna be doing the rest of the nail art. Alright, and then once again, without wiping off the sticky layer, I'm gonna apply my chrome powder. I do cure for a full 30 seconds. You don't have to. I think you can just do like a flash cure of 5 seconds, but I like to do it this way because that works for me. So pretty. Now I'm gonna apply some top coat. Now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. And here are the finished nails. I love how these turned out. I did change my design on the thumbnail because I didn't like how the other one looked like. And yeah, working with chrome powder is always such a pain just because there's so much steps you have to do, especially if you do like a little tiny detailed nail set. But I had fun doing them. This is probably my favorite nail. It's just so cute. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.